baby.
That's the real water.
What up, pimpins? We in that bit, man. Real Water TV, man. Y'all already know what's going on. We back out here. Another Cadillac video, man. So, you saw first drive. Saw the first breakdown. Now we finna see if we can get this motherfucker back right. She's still cranking up. I ain't gonna crank up right now. I just crank her up. So she's still cranking up. But asking around, spreading my story, and a lot of people think it might be the motherfucking gas. So let's see. But you feel me? I don't think if it was out of gas, it wouldn't crank up like that. Shit, what, 2 weeks? A week, really? Good ass week. Yeah. It's alright, it broke down on me the other day. I don't know, we're gonna see, I think it's some gas or something. It's either gas or transmission. Cause the car still crank up, all that shit, it just, wrong thing. The car still crank up and everything, it just, when I was in drive, when I went to press the gas, it didn't go. It was like, whoa, but it wasn't going. So I'm thinking it could be gas, but shit, we're gonna see. Hey, if it is, it's all right. I don't need a new one anyway. We're gonna get one anyway. Oh yeah, I don't know. We're gonna need to keep on out the top of the trunk, bit. Damn, the button didn't work. What did it work? It's supposed to work. So we here. Gonna put that in upside down. Oh goddamn mailbox key. That ain't working. Get that one in there. It might be a wrong key for the trunk. Yeah. Might be. Yeah. Let's get the gas one. This little funky ass, this new funky ass gas pump, man. Yeah, Joe, let's see how they be working. Like that. About to piss me out, man. Why y'all always fuck these gas jugs up, man? Nigga just need an old school ass gas jug, man. Old school, hold that bitch and then pour it and that motherfucker do what it's supposed to do, poke ass out. What's up with all this new shit, man? They now ain't give you instructions. Instructions don't come with the shit. Let's see. I see a button right here. Put this button in. Yeah, man. What the fuck this shit is, man? Look through all this shit, bro. Oh my Jesus. Shit. Let's see. Maybe that bitch is. Maybe I need to unlock it from the inside or some shit. Oh man, let me put my gloves on, man. Stop playing with this shit. Alright, so I don't wanna test on it. Let me get my gloves, man. I'll be right back. people, man. They always got nothing. I need to work. Alright, let's see what we got. It's quite easy to pour. Man, I'm gonna make a nigga have to YouTube while he use a fucking gas can, bro. Really gonna make me YouTube while I use a gas can. So I'm in here now. I'm finna order all this shit up, man, cause ordering all this shit up, man. WD. And that's it, cause I had the hardest time closing that bitch, picking that motherfucker up. Get all these screws down here. Yeah, so. What's up? Right. That what he told me to wiggle it, so I don't want to wiggle. I don't want to do shit. I just want to. I want to be able to close that bitch all the way smooth.
See this right here? This way it been there.
Hold on, man. I'm doing shit. I'm working now.
That's why you push back and come down.
Yeah.
Because when you push back, it's going back.
Yeah, it's fine. But if they old, they ain't been like what you doing right now.
He doing the right thing.
No, if it's old, you got to shake that bitch down.
Oh, don't shake it, you're gonna fuck it up. You just gotta push back and come down. Push back and come down. You gotta push back and come down. You know my dope is like that. I ain't wanna bend my shit up, crease it up, have one side of it.
Well, yeah, hard up. See,
Got all the oil in that
I'm gonna ride that truck up for him in the back. Is it? This bitch right here, cool. I'll put some 8s on this.
Yeah, everybody want to put some things on that bitch.
But the body's straight though. Look, all of the two of them. The body's straight. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Check this out though, for real though.
Yeah.
Cuz know his shit about these body work now, painting though.
I'm going to give him a chance.
You know his shit.
I'm going to give him a chance. I just want to do everything else myself. Did my first project car type shit. So I needed to learn how to build motors, engines, transmissions.
Well, I'm gonna tell you something about these old cars right here. You're gonna learn a lot with them.
Yeah.
Damn sure gonna learn a lot.
That's how you close the Cadillac hood right here. Yeah, so that shit been hell, boy. Alright, that shit had been hell. But see, now that bitch, yes, sir. That's how you open and close a fucking Cadillac hood. Alright, so now we in the game. Now we finna motherfucking. I wanna go through this car, make sure everything's straight, but now I'm finna go through and check all my oils, all my fluids and shit like that. I know this shit need to be flooded. This shit need to be flooded. Radiator, this water hosing thing, or whatever the fuck that shit. It's a lot of shit missing. Look at this shit. That shit need to go to something. You don't go to shit though right now. So my headlight's not working. I know I need to get new fuses. I'm ordering all that shit tonight, man. Cause every time I go somewhere on, you feel me? I can't never find what I need to find. Right now, I'm gonna check the oil in this bit, man. Pull the oil out, see how much oil in there. I'm gonna put the gas in already to try to see if the gas is the main issue. So, like I said, shit. Like I said, we got the oil, got the gas. Oh, that shit dirty in there. Look at that shit, boy. That ass oil stick. Oh, that bit look like it is dry. Focus in on that shit. That shit empty as a bitch. It ain't the liquor oil on that bitch. Hold on. Ooh. I don't know if this transmission oil. That thing is oil. Yeah, no oil in that bitch. Well, that's a good thing I checked that bitch now. Cause I could have got all the way fucking up the road again. Whole motherfucking car could have just cut off on me. Now I gotta find my transmission oil. My transmission stick, cause I don't know what the fuck that is. I didn't wait on I wasn't on my damn book, man. That book, they canceled my book. On some bullshit, talking about some. They ain't got nothing in stock. Bitch, that ain't got shit to do with me. Refund my money. Yeah, that bit. I think this is transmission stick. Cause that shit red, yeah. Yeah. So that is a transmission stick. So it's red, right? But it should be, it's red, but it's like a little 30 red. It should be like a little brighter than that. But hell, it should be more than that period. So. Alright. So now I know for sure we need to fuzz the transmission. New transmission fluid. I gotta find that oil stick, baby. I want to find that oil stick. There you go down there, man. Got him.